ত্রিপুরা এবং কেলভিন মারাক প্রিন্সিপাল সেক্রেটারি শ্রী পুনীত আগরওয়াল মহোদয়।
ग्रामांचल स्कूल बड़ बार परिचय स्कूल आ स्कूल आगत स्कूल स्कूल न तब
program Sunjoto Saimana your program one time financial support scheme obviously Katal Solar File Open Puilla Chiniti Para Yogo Oma Katal scheme one time scheme financial assistant at location Pranathanto. Opuilla Tiban history of Obaisen, O Skimaton, Chini Montri Shoba cabinet, so meeting Haye, so on a past taker. O Agros and Lugapo. O scheme Eglas Manai, just Hatokaham. Rampuja Kure, Andapore Mayas, Bonababi, O scheme Hajaka. ST the minority group for one night. Simpuila Toharuka Kinso Equis John 321 student Bro Manai Eglaka Bro Manai Simpuila Silak Raja 1000 Bro Kinso Equis John Ikake Eglake Busuran Peka. How many fund pay? About 3 crore. No? You calculate 321.
321 lakhs, 3.1 crore.
Yeah. Price 3.1 crore. 3 kuti hajan third first Thailand. They was in Thailand. This is the first time in the history of Tripura that our student, ST student, are getting opportunity to get one-time assistant. Besides that, there are a lot of opportunities. Scholarship is normal. Everyone will get. Now, Takaka there, Omar Hanglai, scholarship Bangla. Scholarship Manai. It's normal. Everyone will get scholarship. The scholarship is bade, extra. Okay, so no, 1 lakh money. The first time in the history of Tripura. Recently, no Mukhana, you have seen, Chini Kok Borok subject, no Prinababi Koreso, assistant professor, so by John you highlight, only the full scale player.